Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the original Samsung Galaxy A54 Clear case. The clear case displays your device's original colorway, while giving you the space to customize your phone with various stickers. The case is thin, durable and comfortable. It is hard. It is rigid, not like a silicone case that is soft that can be bent. Insert the top of the phone into the case, and then gently press the bottom of the phone to insert it. All cutouts and volume buttons are perfect. To remove the phone from the case, press the bottom corners of the case. The first time it will come out quite hard. I like this cover because it is transparent and thin. It does not change the appearance of the phone. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. Have a nice day.